Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So firstly, just simply open your Amazon application, then click at the three lines at the bottom right corner, then go to account, then just simply click on manage Prime membership. Now over there just simply click on manage membership. Now over there just simply click on membership. Now you will see an option called end membership. So if you click that button, the membership will be over. So let me show you. Now just simply click on end membership. Now Amazon will ask you again that are you sure you want to cancel the membership or not. So just simply scroll down and click on continue to cancel, and after that your membership will be cancelled. But you will still have 3 days time remaining to renew the membership, but after 3 days your membership will be completely cancelled. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.